Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm not going to talk too much during this video because it's pretty much easy to follow along with. As you can see here, my hair is looking very dry. It's really tangled. It's looking like neglect. I hadn't done anything to it for a while. So yeah, that's why it's looking like this, and I just wanted to do something, quick and easy to just, kind of take care of it and give it some nourishment while I could. But as you can see here, I'm just parting my hair the way I wanted it. And then I'm just going to put it up in as many sections as I can. That's going to help me with the detangling process because my hair literally took 1 hour to detangle. That's how tangled it was. So yeah. To make things easier, after I detangle a section, I just twisted it up. And I forgot to mention I used all TPH by Taraji products. I used the Honey Fresh to shampoo, the mask on to deep condition, and then the twist and set to detangle and to plait up my hair. And I also just want to mention one more thing. Here I am just showing y'all the struggle I am having with detangling my hair. I even had to just stop a couple of times, as you'll see in a minute, to just take a few deep breaths. That's how hard it was. Taking all of the twist out of my hair, I just want to comb through it one more time, wet it back up, and put just a little bit more of the twist and set cream on it. So I did do my edges off camera and they do kind of look terrible right here, so don't pay attention to that. And then I just wanted to kind of wet up my hair just a little bit and put this satin scarf on just to give the part that's not in the braid like a nice wave. So after playing with it just a little bit, this is the finished look. I did change my shirt just so it could be seen a little bit more. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.